Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I am going to show you how to make a YouTube short on CapCut. So yeah, it's a little different because CapCut's a really good editing app. So yeah, you can just put a new project, then you can just put some tiny video in, then just put this, let's just put this Among Us for example. You can check the video out where I use that. So then I think you have to go use ratio, and then you press TikTok because it's technically the same thing. So and then you can do this if you want, like use your fingers too. I didn't do this on there. And then boom. There's nothing really else you can use because 9.6 is your 9.16 and 9.6 is what you use on YouTube, so you can Google that up if you want to. So yeah, that's how you do it on CapCut. I will link the app in the description for App Store, Play Store, and APK file. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe.